Hey, it's Kim with Screen Innovations. We just wanted to go over a demo kit with you real quick. A lot of you already have our Zen demo kit, and we wanted you to make sure that you keep these fabrics that came with it, except for the ones that say sheer weave. The sheer weave fabrics we are discontinuing, and we are adding for Kaos the Suntex fabrics. Now, what you want to do with your Zen demo kit is keep everything that's metal in the demo kit except for your side tracks and your weight bar and your cable guide. Those things we're not going to be using anymore. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to order our Kaos triangle, and we will also want you to add the fabrics that we'll be selling. In addition to the Pfeiffer fabrics, we are now going to be selling our fabrics called Omega Pro screen fabrics. There's lots of choices in here, and this will become your fabric demo kit along with our Omega Tex, which is the Kevlar version of the fabrics. That's it.